Designing your own power supply from scratch can seem intimidating. But Power Integrations has a set of tools and resources to make it both easier and more cost-effective than ordering off-the-shelf power supplies. Today we are going to talk about two families of devices that meet a wide variety of power supply requirements, making it easier than ever to design your own power supply unit. They help improve your chances for passing regulatory requirements on the first try and eliminate much of the hassle of development and delivery. Once you have made the decision to design your own power supply, you are ready to select the IC that fits your application perfectly. The TopSwitch and TinySwitch families are flexible offline ICs that will allow you to build a power supply for almost any application under 177 watts. And to make designing with TopSwitch and TinySwitch even easier, you can use our PI Expert design software to speed your development. PI Expert can help you reduce your time to a working prototype, eliminating the complexities of transformer design and decreasing your overall bill of materials cost. The TinySwitch family occupies the 6 to 25 watt range and reduces the cost of your bill of materials while maintaining exceptional design simplicity. By integrating the circuitry for over-temperature, output over voltage, and input under voltage protection into the IC, you can decrease the size of your design while still maintaining a high level of reliability by making use of TinySwitch's built-in protection features. TinySwitch offers optimum light load and no load performance and efficiency, perfect for applications that spend a significant amount of time in standby. If your product operates above 25 watts or requires extra protection features, we recommend using the TopSwitch family of ICs. Built for up to 177 watts, TopSwitch includes additional safety and security features, like input over voltage and under voltage protection, over temperature protection, and output short circuit protection. Like TinySwitch, TopSwitch also provides outstanding no-load consumption. If you still haven't decided which IC is right for your device, let's take a more detailed look at both families, their advantages, and their differences. The correct choice in switchers depends on several factors: power, protective features, and ease of design. Power is typically the first consideration in a new design. If your device operates below 25 watts, you can comfortably use either IC. If your device will operate above 25 watts, you should use a TopSwitch. When selecting your TopSwitch device, be mindful of the thermal limits of your application. PI Expert drafts your heatsink requirements automatically when you input your device specifications, so be sure to choose the smallest device that provides adequate power. Necessary protection features are also a major consideration. If you need the extra feature benefits, use a TopSwitch device. These protections become more important the more power your device uses. If these aren't necessary for your application, you can use a TinySwitch. TinySwitch offers ease of design, which will help you to get up and running in the shortest possible time frame with minimal debugging. TopSwitch includes more built-in safeguards at the cost of slightly increased complexity. Our design software, PI Expert, does the heavy lifting for you in the design phase. Once you have selected the switcher that is right for you, plug it into the PI Expert design tool. Set the outputs for your application and watch as the tool crafts a customized schematic that meets your exact needs. Once you finish putting your design parameters through PI Expert, you'll have a fully customized schematic, full transformer documentation, and a bill of materials with manufacturer part numbers for purchasing. After you receive your design documents, you're ready to design your transformer using PI Expert. Select a core and bobbin, check your design for errors, and export your transformer schematic. If you don't have facilities for magnetic prototyping, you can send your schematic to Worth or ICE Components. They offer competitive rates and, in some cases, next-day turnaround. They can help you rapidly prototype your device and get reference designs finished in as little as 2 weeks. You can export and upload your bill of materials to one of our distributors, who can help you build your power supply design for less than buying an off-the-shelf version. You can even check their inventories to see which parts are available right now. If you are new to power supply design, take a look at PI University. It offers informative, design-oriented tips on various areas of product design and certification. Visit us online to learn more, try our design selector guide, and order samples for your next design. And don't forget to download the PI Databook app, available for iOS and Android.